Who wouldn't enjoy driving a 1934 Ford Coupe in a race across the country? That's exactly what one of Randy Crowley's customers at PER Race Engines in Plainville, Illinois does. In order to do the race right, his customer relies on Crowley and PER Race Engines to have him running in tip-top shape. Crowley has owned PER since 1993, a full machine shop that does work on just about anything that comes in the door, whether it's automotive, motorcycle, marine, or import. But back to the customer in need of engine work for his 34 Ford. He recently raced from Canada down to the Gulf of Mexico in the New Orleans area. He did it using a 1947 Ford Flathead engine under the hood, and we'll give you the details of that engine in this episode of Engine of the Week.
Engine Builder's Engine of the Week is sponsored by Pengrade. Precision, performance, Pengrade. Always the original green oil. L-Ring DOS Original. Leading technology, leading service. And Scat Crankshafts. Everything for your LS engine.
Hey everyone, I'm RJ Polk for Engine Builder, and we're talking about the details of a 1947 Ford Flathead engine, which came to PER Race Engines based on a recommendation from a nearby restoration shop. Because PER has done plenty of other Flathead builds, the customer left the engine to get rebuilt. Here's Randy to tell you more.
Yeah, once we got the job, we got it apart, we'd seen what was going on in there, and it was, it was tired. It was definitely really tired. New pistons, new rods, and basically went through valve job, upgraded a bunch of stuff there.
Crowley says he bored it, decked it, and honed the engine. He put in hardened seats, milled the heads, and did some minor repairs on the original heads since they had some cracks.
Ford, Flathead motor, but they had the Merc crank in it, the 4-inch stroke crank, which is out of a 255. We replaced the valves with the stainless steel valve, and then we put in Iski racing valve springs on it, the upgrade on the oil pump system. The heads themselves, those we did check them, found some cracks, fixed the cracks, milled them, installed them with new ARP head studs. It has one of the original McCullen superchargers on it. They say they're good for 3 pounds of boost, but I think it just needs to be freshened up or some different gaskets put in there.
Initially, Crowley and his team had some problems with the supercharger. The owner of the engine had tried working on it and put some gaskets in it which were too thick.
So we took the gaskets out, put some thinner gaskets in, and obviously got the blower to work better and get some boost out of it.
One of the unique things PER did on the Flathead motor was adjust the oil flow, so all the oil goes through the filter and then into the motor. Previously, the way the motor was laid out, it only filtered 50% of the oil. Now it's a full flowing oil filter. Before getting the engine back in the 34 Ford, Crowley got it up on the dyno for a few pulls. It pulled out 110 horsepower at 4,000 RPM and 185 foot-pounds of torque at 2,800 RPM. That's as far as he pushed it, but with a good freshening up and some new bells and whistles, this Flathead is now ready for its next cross-country race. Well, that does it for this episode of Engine of the Week. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to our channel, and make sure to click the bell to get all of our updates. And if you have an engine you'd like to feature, please email our editor Greg Jones at gjones@babcocks.com. Thanks for watching.